this whole idea of I make money, I'm looking for what to invest in it and all that. It always make the top people always get this. Since you got it from source, why don't you invest in that same thing? Are you getting me?
Yeah.
But the money, this is what happened. I'm a forex trader, so I make money, I lose money in forex. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
This particular money now, I traded it. I won't say I was so perfect. Let's just call it luck. I was wrong.
Yeah.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So once any other person will advise me is I should go back and use the same strategy and keep trading that method. But forex is not predictable.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yes, please.
So I'm not saying that's the only capital I have.
Okay.
But definitely you are more exposed.
Where are you based? Where are you based? Where are you based?
Lagos.
Lekki.
Aja.
Okay. Do you stay alone?
Yeah, I stay alone. I'm a bachelor.
Wow, that's good. What's your age? What's your age? What's your age?
I'm 27.
27. Do you have a car?
I sold it.
This will be difficult. There's a business in my mind I was already thinking, but now this will be a bit difficult.
Uber.
No, Uber. I wanted you to start a car rental business. I wanted to tell you how you do it. But since you don't have a car, it will be difficult. If you already have a car of your own, right?
I had Lexus. I didn't want to put it in any commercial anything because it's just going to be more expensive on ES350.
No. But do you have one that you're using now, like your own car now for now?
I sold it this January. I sold it already.
So there's going to be a bit of a challenge because the business will think about another business, but that won't work for you because as soon as you get a car, you want to be using it. You understand? And it will conflict with the car rental. So let's leave that one. Let's leave car rental out. Which other business will work for you? Lagos. What do you like?
But have you tried it and it worked for you?
I have my boys that are doing it and they are doing very fine. It's not even stress. So you say they're lucky. I will just hook you up with one of them, but no wala. Let's leave that one. I know the upside and the downside of it. I already have an idea, so that won't work. What other thing do you like to do? What other thing do you like to do apart from trading? What are you good at?
That's the issue. I'm not good at it.
You must be good at something. Okay. Would you?
It's just what I'm good at is just marketing. That's just basically what I'm
marketing.
And yeah.
You are good at marketing.
Convincing people to purchase anything.
Marketing is not convincing. But I get your point. But marketing, I just want to correct that fast. Marketing is not convincing. If you are convincing anybody to buy anything, it's wrong. Marketing is not convincing. But I understand you. So, but what we'll do is this. I will have to think about other businesses. Do you Lagos get car wash and that money no fit do car wash for Lagos because car wash is very competitive.
I can't do car wash. Once you do
car wash is very competitive in Lagos.
It's everywhere. All these my areas there, I have like 3 people.
Yeah, it's very competitive. And you are not good with media, right?
Someone is saying they have to say what's about logistics.
No. The wahala for logistics is too much.
So it's just you don't know.
The wahala is too much. I mentioned something just now. What was that? Okay, I said are you good with multimedia? The answer is no. If you are good with multimedia,
I'm actually I'm not really multimedia like you mean multiple tasks or social media. What task of multimedia?
No, like videography, photography, cinematography, video editing, all those stuff. Right?
I'm a computer literate, but I didn't learn all those editing and programming.
Okay, so what we'll do is this. You see the way we're brainstorming like this now, right? That's how we need to brainstorm. Okay, so because we need to look for something that will fit you. A lot of ideas have come to my mind, but because of your location and some of the things you have done before, it won't fit in for you. Do you understand? So
where do you stay?
I'm in Abuja. So we'll need to look for something that will work for you. For example, now if you were multimedia inclined, I would have given you some ideas in that area, but you are not. For example, I can tell you to buy a drone. I have some of my boys in Lagos. I'll tell them to teach you how to fly a drone. Then you have that one as added advantage. Do you understand? So you learn how to fly a drone.
Yeah.
So then you can be a drone pilot. You understand? So that's extra money, and it's not just for the extra money. It's like a skill that is high end, like it puts you above. Do you understand? So yeah.
Actually, I own a metal company, a scrap recycling, metal recycling company.
Okay.
What is aluminium content?
Yeah. So why don't you want to invest? Why don't you want to invest in that?
Now, this is the thing. I want to have multiple stream of income. I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket.
Okay.
I want to diversify into other things.
Okay, so
So forex was one of the things I tried, and it works.
Okay.
I'm still working. It's not like but I don't want to have all my capital. That's forex. I want to withdraw it and invest in other things.
Okay.
So my company, which is I have a company, not like it's already running.
Okay.
But I want to invest in other things, in other aspects of business, because wealth is not built in one stream of income.
Okay, now so the advice that I have right now, you see why I keep telling people I can't just tell you this, I can't just tell you. Imagine if I was just telling you one thing. See all the plenty things that you have done in your life. See all the experience you already have. So these are the things I keep telling people. You don't just tell somebody go and do this, go and do that. So now this is the advice I have for you, right? Multiple streams of income, is not for a poor person, no. It's not for somebody that is just starting. You will waste your money.
I'm not just starting.
You will waste your time. Just hear what I want to say first. So if you already have one thing that is working, yes, we know that we understand that forest is like, so let's leave forest out. If you have another thing that is working, I would advise that put in more effort on that thing first. Let that thing grow from generating you 2 million to 4 million to 6 million to 8. Let it reach a stage where it's generating so much. Now you have so much money, you want to now enter something else in such a way that, if you enter something else and the money go away. Let me share something with you. I don't know the year, should be last year or so. So I said, okay, I was doing a lot of things, money was coming, and I said, okay, now I need to start another business. So and I started my car business. Then more money was coming, and I said, okay, another business. And I started farm. Before I started the farm, I told them in my class, I said, guys, see what I want to do now. I've told you people that multiple streams of income is not for everybody, it's not for a beginner. You have to have a place where money is coming from. You reinvest. When the place is now big and you're not having excess money, you have money to throw away. You know that if this money go, it not go pay you, nobody go cry. Now you go use them. I can't tell this, okay, now I want to do farm work, but I won't use 1 million to test. I said, now the 1 million be this. I said, now this 1 million I'm supposed to go take and buy new phone. No. I said, but not be phone they do me, I get enough phone. Make I carry this one, go do farm work. If the farm work go well, based on plan, I could get extra 2 million. So my 1 million will don't become 3 million. But if it not go well, it means my 1 million will go. So I said, but that 1 million no go pay me. So I won't go put them. My brother, as I talk to you, the farm work 700,000 go. Now I let 300 come back. Oh. But it not affect me. It didn't show up anywhere. Why? Other businesses are going, so I was okay. So that's what I'm saying. Before you go, so multiple streams of income. Imagine saying that the only money when I get with that, I just make profit from here. I just carry the profit, go put them for here. Let me now say another one. Now, I put my car business on hold now. Why? When I saw the things that I was doing and the money that were involved, the way the demand, Baba, I'm not going to fill it up. I'm not fit. Where am I going to get?
I mean, it's the business.
Yes, but it's the type of niche that I'm doing. is the type. I sell only Peugeot. I deal on only Peugeot. No, no, if you tell me another car, I don't know. I don't want to hear. Only Peugeot. I deal on only Peugeot. Not only do I sell and buy, I fix. Not only do I sell and buy and fix, I diagnose. Do you understand? So it is a robust thing for me. So when I saw the demand, it even started affecting my IT, affecting every other small business I'm doing. I'm like, no. Let's chill first. Let's chill before I will just scatter everything. In fact, and the workload and the wahala that is coming, I say, let's calm down first. Immediately, I just sold all the cars that I under my care. I pause. Now I'm going back to the brand. What I'm saying is this: imagine say I carry everything when I get, go put for there, and something can't go wrong. Nothing went wrong though, but if something can't go, that's the end. So multiple streams of income. Why I won't stop myself is because I discovered I was not scattered. I was doing farming, I was doing cars. Today that they come and diagnose one car, they want to buy one car in Kaduna. I was not everywhere. And I asked myself, guy, no, this is not how it's supposed to be. I was not everywhere. The energy was not scattered. Money was scattered. Now different money. No, I'm like, no. Let's stay in one place first. Let's build one place. So that's why I now decided to stop everything and I came back to my multimedia. So I'm multimedia now. If you give me any job that is not multimedia, I'm not doing. Even right now, just to add to it, there's one contract we did with, I said we because it's not only me, we did with government. Now our money never come out. I dey shine eye since now. I dey shine eye because the money will come, because I get plenty money, I pack all the money, go put for them. You want fight government? Now the money never come out. I don't know if you're understanding my point. So don't be all these multiple streams.
I'm getting your point, but this your multimedia. Like, what do you mean by this multimedia? Like,
what
exactly do you do? What do you mean by this multimedia?
Okay, let me define what multimedia is for you. Sound engineering, for example, is one media. Videography is one media, is media. Media means medium of communication. Photography is one media. Now, once the media don't pass one, it's called multimedia. So, I'm into multimedia. I'm into plenty media. I'm a sound engineer.
Oh.
I'm a videographer. I'm a photographer. I'm into social media. So that's media in the social space. And under social media, not only do I manage accounts and build accounts and do and grow accounts, I run adverts. I'm a social media advertisement expert. So that's what gives me the most of my money. I run adverts for big companies, small business, home and abroad. I run adverts. So that one is soft work. I don't even need to stress. Just on my system, run my thing. I don't even need to see you. Just anywhere in the world, I do my thing. Do you understand? So I do live streaming.
Yeah.
I edit videos. I don't like to edit again. I have people who edit for me. It's too strenuous. Do you understand? So all of this media thing, I create content. There are businesses and companies that I write scripts for them. These are you do your content. I direct them. DOP, director of production. I direct productions. They do this thing like this. Do this things like this. If you do like this, I consult in the multimedia space. Do you understand? So that's a whole multimedia stuff that I do. So all this other business was not affecting this thing. I'm like, nah, we're not doing that. I fly drone. I'm a drone pilot. I enjoy flying drones, and I'm a drone pilot. So those are the things I do in multimedia. So my advice is, please stick to one or two things that you are doing now. Put your money there. Make the money. When you don't pass 50 million, you don't also kill. Like say I don't enter. I don't go 60, 70.
I actually blew 33K. I grew 1K to 33K and I blew it. I still have the screenshot with me.
Don't let us gather you beat. No, let us gather you beat. They thought you blew 33K. People they find 2K, they never get. I go blow 33K. My brother.
I was post that one. I'm still trying to create the content for that one.
It is well. No,
so that you will know that I will make losses too, not just profits.
Yes.
I'm really talking to you this time.
Yes. So another thing you can do again in the forex stuff. We all know, those of us that traded forex and are trading forex, we know that forex is legit. So one of the things you can do is that you can improve your knowledge in forex. You can spend more money, invest more money in learning. Go and network with people that are higher than you. Spend money, find way to meet them.
Yeah.
May they teach you some small secrets when they will help you. You understand? You can invest in that one. You can buy a good laptop, good server, good phone, improve the gadget when you use for the forex. Get a better. You know that there are some brokers that you cannot trade with them except you have like $50,000. You know, right?
Yes, I think I know those ones. Those ones are not these are regular brokers.
Thank you. And those
Those
ones,
are
they have
Peugeot.
advantages. So you can see how you can get to that level, even if you have to collaborate with 2 or 3 persons to get the money and invest into, so this thing, so you can put in more energy to, on one thing that you are doing already, so that you can. So that's how I see it too, and that's what I'm doing for myself. I'm not stressing. There are many things I know how to do. If you call me for them, I'll tell you I'm sorry, I'm not doing. If you call, I say, oh sorry sir, I won't do that again. Let me recommend somebody for you. Yes, make peace reign. My head go correct. Like when I talk to them, I say I don't talk since morning. People feel say I dey joke. I don't do different meetings, and I will still do one more now after I close this thing. I don't do meetings, plenty meetings, and that's equal to money. Do you understand? All of them may not bring money all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Some of them is just consultancy. They want to talk to you for the first time. So you look forward to the next one. You look forward to the next one. So, but bless God, child. Thank you so much, bro.
I really appreciate your